So all I need is this digital pen. Now this is connected with USB to my laptop and I can write on it. Basically I can use this as a pointing device. So whenever I am moving this pen, you can see the mouse pointer is also moving. Now I will keep it somewhere in comfortable position because I have to use it for writing. Now I will go to this PowerPoint's bottom right corner. Now I will go to this PowerPoint's bottom left corner and here you will see this pen. I will select this pen and now you can see this small dot. I can now use this to write. See, for example, when I am coming here, this is like this, and when I am going here, see, now I know what are the areas I can use from my tablet to write. Correct? So I will now start writing and teaching. So I will select pen and let's start writing and start explaining your subject. You can, while you are explaining, you can actually look into this camera because OBS is capturing this camera stream, correct? So you can look into this anytime and then it will be captured. For example, if I am teaching about ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, this is a formula and I can also draw some diagrams like this. This is a triangle. I can talk about this. I can look into camera anytime whenever I want and I can keep drawing. So I can focus anywhere. When I want to go to the another slide, I will click on the next button in my laptop. In that case, I will lose pen from PowerPoint. So what I will do, I will again go down, I will select a pen. Now again, I can write. So this functionality is related to a writing software. This PowerPoint has less options for writing. You can select any writing software. I am not talking about that right now. I was more focused towards OBS, your writing software, images, text, putting everything and finally removing this background to make an awesome video. When you are done presenting, then what you can do? You can actually finally close your slide, basically, or does not close, also does not really matter because you are controlling everything with OBS. Finally, when your recording is done, what you need to do? Go to OBS and click on this stop recording button. And when you are on OBS, click on this stop recording.